All right, join me on page 323 of the Go Math textbook. Let's go ahead and get to it. You can use algebra tiles to model and solve equations that involve multiplication. So the last couple days we've used models to solve equations with addition and subtraction, but we can also do it with multiplication. Okay. To model an expression involving multiplication of a variable, you can use more than one of the x tiles. For example, to model the expression 4x, which means 4 times x, you can use 4 of the x tiles. So you see they've shown that here. 4x, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 of these x tiles. Okay, these are the x tiles. So 4 times, if you have 4 x's, 4x. 4x tiles. All right, let's get started. Tennis balls are sold in cans of 3. Daniel needs 15 tennis balls for a tournament. Model and solve the equation 3x equals 15. Find the number of cans that Daniel should buy. So, draw 2 rectangles. So we're going to do that here. Just going to make our big equation. And remember, this middle line represents your equals sign of the equation. Use algebra tiles to model 3x in the left rectangle. So 3x over here, 1. There's one x tile, 2, and 3 x tiles. And 15 in the right triangle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, there are 3 x tiles on the left side. Here's our 3x on the left. To solve the equation by using the model, you need to find the value of one of the x tiles. To do this, divide each side of your model into 3 equal groups. So we have 3x over here, we have 15 over here, and essentially we're doing inverse operation again. Okay, remember the opposite of addition was subtraction. The opposite of multiplication is division. Okay, that's what we're doing. So think of it as putting one of these into, you're just dividing these 1 tiles into 3 different x tiles. Okay. So divide each side of your model into 3 equals groups. So here's one group of 1, one group of 1, and one group of 1. So I have 3 total groups. This is how many groups I need. And now on this side I need 3 groups. Okay. And each group needs to have the same number of circles in it. So here's one group of 5. Here's another group of 5. And here is another group of 5. So each x has one group of 5 with it. Okay. When the tiles on each side have been divided into 3 equal groups, how many 1 tiles are in each group? So in this group there's 5, in this group there's 5, in this group there's 5. So each group has 5. Write the solution to the equation. 1x, one of these x is equal to 5 1 tiles. So Daniel should buy 5 cans of tennis balls. Okay, so think of it this way. What we're doing is, since this is multiplication, 3 times x today, we do the opposite. The opposite of multiply is divide. What do we divide by? 3. 3 divided by 3 leaves you with just 1x, or just x. And then we divide the other side by 3 as well. 3 goes into 15 5 times, leaving you with x equals 5. So you're doing the inverse operation, just like yesterday. Yesterday, if it was x minus 4, you would add 4. Today, if it's 5 times x, you divide by 5. You're doing the opposite. The opposite of multiplication is division. The opposite of division is obviously multiplication. Those are inverse operations. All right. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one.